is so big and mighty. Let's check out what animal this is.
The world is amazing!
Let's keep learning.
Smart tablet! Activate!
Let's check out what this is.
A hooked beak.
Let's check out what this is.
Sharp claws. A strong body. Strong wings. Eagle. An eagle is a kind of ferocious bird with sharp eyesight and claws. It is the overlord of the sky.
Overlord of the sky? That's right. The eagle is so mighty that it scares off smaller birds. How could the eagle be so mighty? Kids, what do you think is special about the eagle? An eagle has the sharpest eyesight in the world. The eyes of an eagle are like a pair of binoculars, allowing it to see far clearly. An eagle can even spot a little duck on land. An eagle can fly at extremely high speed and dive quickly to capture the prey. It's amazing! I don't want to be caught by the eagle. Oh, I have an idea. If we drive, the eagle won't be able to catch us. Not exactly, huh? Which of these do you think is the fastest? A sprint champion. B, a car on the highway. C, an eagle. That's right. You are right. This is the fastest runner in the world. This is a car on the highway. This is an eagle. An eagle can fly at the speed of 300 kilometers an hour. Much faster than that of a car. That's incredible! I want to fly like an eagle. Do you want to check out how an eagle learns to fly? Yeah! The eaglets are learning to fly. Though the eaglet is a little scared, it tries bravely. Slide the eaglet. Don't bump into trees. Woo! Woo! Come on, the eaglet will be able to fly. Come on, the eaglet will be able to fly. Wow, the eaglet has finally learned how to fly. Wonderful! Quacky, what have you learned about the eagle? An eagle has excellent eyesight. Its flying speed is super fast. The eagle lives on the cliff. You're right. Which medal should the camel get? Medal for Master of Heat. Medal for Strong Warrior. Medal for Overlord of the Sky. Medal for Overlord of the Sky. An eagle has excellent eyesight and flies fast. Smaller birds are all scared of it. This medal for Overlord of the Sky goes to the eagle. Next, let's take some practice. Let's try to find the eagle. 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 Let's complete the animal puzzle. Eagle has small wings. Is it right? Eagle has large wings and can soar in the sky. Eagle has excellent eyesight. Is this correct? Eagle has the sharpest eyesight among animals and can spot the prey far away. Eagle flies at a low speed. Is that correct? Eagle flies at a speed that is faster than that of a car.